In this video, I'll be showing you how to log into cashapp on another device. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, and the first thing you'll need to do is just head over to Google. From here, we can search for cashapp, and we just need to click the top link, which should be cash.app. So we can click on this to head over to the cashapp website, and from here, we now have the option to log in. We can do that by going up to the top right corner and clicking this green login button, and from there, we have two ways of logging into our account. We can either use our phone number, and we can do that by typing it in the box here and selecting the correct area code. Or if you'd rather log in using your email, you can select use email, and you can then type in your email in this box. Once you've done that, you can click continue, and they will actually send an email to the email address that you provided. From there, you can enter in the confirmation code that they sent your email, and once you do that, you can click continue to be signed into your account. So that's exactly how you can log into cashapp on a brand new device. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.